What's going on, guys? Jay that Drain Guy. We're in a house today and they have a plug toilet, obviously. I think they've been trying to use the Drano. I'm not sure. So we're gonna try augering it out and see if we pull back anything interesting. If you guys like this kind of video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't. I make videos like this all the time. We're going to be using the rigid auger. Somebody said they didn't think this was a rigid. You can see it right there. They thought it was a general. So that's 3 feet. We got it cleared, but we're just going to try to make sure we push it to the stack. So we extend it and go another 3 feet. Awesome. First 3 feet out. Well, nothing came back. We're going to snake it out once more. Alright. Alright, give it one more flush and we should be good. There you go, guys. I want to thank you for watching. This has been Jay that Drain Guy signing out. Until next time, Taragna.